A carrot? With Sofia the First? It must be Dance With Me Clover. Let's open it up. So our Dance With Me Clover is out of the box, and let's see if we can hear all Clover's 12 phrases. So what we're going to do is, let's talk first about how super cute this is. Clover has flopsy ears, and you can kind of feel the mechanics in there, the metal part, but woo, flopsy, and oh, it's so soft. He has a blue sachet here, and it says Blue Ribbon Bunny, and of course a carrot, because you know Clover always loves to eat. If we turn him around, we see the back of his sash. It is attached right here, and a cute little bunny tail, of course, because he's a bunny. And then the blue sash comes off right here. So if you want, you can go ahead and clip this little stitch right there and have the blue sash for yourself, but I think it looks better on Clover. Underneath, you'll see the super cool rolly wheels for him to kind of move around in, and we have an on and off button, and right now it is on. So let's see Clover. I hope you're ready, because he's going to hop, spin, and dance. Here we go.
Yeah, here we go. Check it out. When I hop to the corner, they stop and stare. Wait to see that I got that plan. A little something called savoir-faire. It's gourmet lunch, and I serve it on China. Cause when we talk about food, my friend, there's nobody finer. Y'all give it up, cause I got the moves and I got the hops. I'm telling you, look up below, I'm the top.
That's right, and I love how you shake your booty. All right, so if you notice, I pinched his right paw. Now let's pinch his left paw. Let me scoot him up a little, because we don't know what he's gonna do. So here we go.
Y'all ready to learn how to dance like a blue ribbon bunny?
Oh yeah, we are.
All right, let's go. You can hop high or low. Hop, hop, now spin. Yo, I've got the hops and the hips. Check it out. Shimmy and shimmy and shimmy and shimmy.
Look at his little bumpy.
Hop, hop, now twirl. Time for the big finale. Your shot. Show me what you got.
All right.
Here we go. Check it out. When I hop to the corner, they stop and stare. Wait to see that I got that plan. A little something called savoir-faire. It's gourmet lunch, and I serve it on China. Cause when we talk about food, my friend, there's nobody finer. Y'all give it up, cause I got the moves and I got the hops. I'm telling you, look up below, I'm the top. I'm a blue ribbon bunny, and don't you know? Blue ribbon bunny, I'm the best in show. And I'm all the rage. When I take the stage, and the crowd goes wild. Clover, Clover, Clover.
Clover, 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 Clover. Can we see that one more time? Thank you. All right, Clover, show us what you got.
Y'all ready to learn how to dance like a blue ribbon bunny?
We are. Show us.
All right, let's go. You can hop high or low. Hop, hop, now spin. Yo, I've got the hops and the hips. Check it out. Shimmy and shimmy and shimmy and shimmy. Hop, hop, now twirl. Time for the big finale. Your shot. Show me what you got. Yo, here we go. Check it out. When I hop to the
belly, the right one.
Yup, here we go. Check it out. When I hop to the garden, they stop and stare. Play to see that I got that plan. A little something called sample fare. The gourmet lunch, and I serve it on China. Cause when we're talking about food, my friend, there's nobody finer. Y'all give it up cause I got the moves and I got the hops. I'm telling you, look up below. I'm the top. I'm a blue ribbon honey, and don't you know? A blue ribbon honey on the plastic show. And I'm all the rage. When I take on stage. Like I always say, with Clover, the fun's never over.
That's right. I'm giving this Dance With Me Clover, I'm giving it 5 stars. I think it's so fun. And I love that he twirls and he goes back. He like goes halfway and then he goes halfway and then he goes all the way around. And then he has a couple of songs and all these different phrases. It is a hoot. I mean, we can play with this forever. I love it. If you love it too, click right there. Subscribe to the Engineering Family and tell us that you did. And we'll say thank you. Have a great day.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Now check out one of these 4 Sofia the First videos. Just click on the square and it'll take you to it. Also remember to subscribe to our channel. Have a good day.